Um, Sorry, miss, for breaking your broom. But how can the broom break? Alright guys, as you can see in this picture, this is timber. Timber comes from the tree that has been chopped from the tree and cut into square planks. There is two types of wood. It is hardwood and softwood. Softwood usually used to make furniture, like this one, and this one. For the hardwood usually used in construction to make house structure, like this one, and this one. This is hardness test. For the hardness test, we will use steel ball and compress it against the wooden planks to see how much pressure the wooden planks can take before the steel ball penetrate it. This is the result after the hardness test. Second one is compressive test. This test we will use hydraulic press against the wooden plank to see how much pressure it can take before it get completely crushed.
Bricks have been thousands of years, from ancient civilizations to modern cities. In their simplest form, bricks are rectangular blocks made primarily from natural clay or shell. These raw materials are molded, dried, and then fired in high temperature kilns, a process that gives bricks their strength, durability, and familiar reddish hue. But not all bricks are the same. In Malaysia, several types are commonly used, each suited for different purposes. First, we have clay bricks, the most traditional and widely used type. They are versatile, affordable, and ideal for load-bearing walls in houses and low-rise buildings. Then, there are concrete bricks made from cement, sand, and aggregates. These are often used in foundations, paving, and boundary walls because of their height, strength, and uniformity. For more demanding environments, like areas with high moisture or chemical exposure, we use engineering bricks. These are denser, have low water absorption, and are perfect for basements, sewers, and dam-proof courses. A sustainable alternative is fly ash bricks, which reuse industrial waste from coal power plants. They are eco-friendly, provide good insulation, and help reduce construction's carbon footprint. Lastly, modern construction sometimes uses interlocking bricks designed to fit together without mortar. This speeds up building time and is great for community projects and emergency housing. Now, let's look at what gives bricks their engineering value, their physical and mechanical properties. One of the most important properties is compressive strength. Bricks can withstand heavy vertical loads, typically between 10 to 40 megapascals. To put that in perspective, a single brick can support the weight of a small car. This is why bricks are trusted in multi-story buildings and load-bearing walls. Next, density. Bricks are quite dense, usually between 1,600 to 2,000 kilograms per cubic meter. This gives them excellent thermal mass, meaning they can absorb heat during the day and release it slowly at night, helping to keep indoor temperatures stable in Malaysia's hot climate. But bricks also have a weakness from water absorption. In our simple experiment, we will use bricks and we will use clay bricks, and we will also use weighing scale to do these simple experiments. So we are going to soak the dry bricks for 24 hours, and from our test we could see that our absorption rate is around 15 to 20%, which is typically for clay bricks. While some absorptions help mortar bond, too much can lead to dampness, mold, or efflorescence, those white salt stains you sometimes see on old walls. We also tested its durability by hammering the clay bricks. From this durability test, we can see that the clay bricks have a lower durability.
Now we're going to talk about advantage and disadvantages for these two materials, which is bricks and timber. We start with advantage for bricks. First, bricks have high compressive strength, which is very strong in compressions. Second, brick also is a good fire resistance. Bricks provide better fire safety than timber. Third, bricks is durable and long-lasting, which is bricks resistant to weathering, rot and insect attacks. Now, we are going to talk about disadvantages for bricks. First, bricks is low tensile strength. Brick is weak under tension and bending. Second, brick is a material with heavy weight. Brick will increase load on foundations. Next, we're going to talk about advantage and disadvantages for timber. We start with advantage for timber. First, timber is lightweight, which is it's easy to transport and install. Second, timber have a good tensile and bending strength. Timber performs well in beams, joists, and frames. Third, timber have a good thermal insulation. Timber keeps buildings cooler and more comfortable. Now, we move to the disadvantages for timber. First, timber have a high fire risk. It is provide us to the treatment or protection. Second, timber can easily get biological attack. For example, it is susceptible to termites, fungi, and rot. Next, we're gonna talk about application these two materials, which is bricks and timber in Malaysian civil engineering projects. Example of structures or project in Malaysia that utilize bricks is traditional shop houses in Penang, Malacca, and Kuala Lumpur. Material used is clay bricks because it's good in load-bearing walls. The reason is high compressive strength, good at fire resistant, and durable and suitable for dense urban areas. Example location is Churchtown, Penang, Jonker Street, Malacca, Petaling Street, Kuala Lumpur. Example structure for timber is traditional Malay house. Material used is timber. Type of timber is cengal and meranti. The reason why using timber is because lightweight and flexible. Second, timber have a good ventilation for tropical climate. Third, timber is easy to construct and dismantle. Example for traditional Malay house is at Kelantan, second Terengganu, and third Kedah. Next, we will talking about timber and bricks innovation in construction. We're gonna talk about timber innovation. First, engineered timber. Types and application is glulam. It is glued laminated timber, which is layers of timber glued together. It is used for beams, long span roof, and bridge. Second one is cross-laminated timber, CLT. It is panels made by stacking layers of wood at right angles. CLT used for build walls, floors, multi-story buildings. Next one is brick innovation in construction. We have modern bricks. Types and features for modern bricks is lightweight bricks, which is bricks that made from aerated concrete, fly ash, or pumice. Second is recycle or eco bricks. Recycle or eco bricks is made from industrial waste. For example, recycled concrete.
Oh, like that. Sorry, miss. Can I get my ball back?
Yes, but be careful next time.
Alright.